So hey guys, Alethea here. We are here again. Another update at my area Hobby Lobby. Let's go inside. Thanks for coming. This is what they have on the door. I see just about the same things. A few different bolts. And I gotta get some more of this to complete my outfit. So is any of the sewing items on sale?
There are a couple pieces of fabric over here that are on sale, but none of the rest of it is this week.
Okay, let me get a yard and a half for that, please. Thank you. So let's see what's up. This is cute right here. Nothing is on sale. You heard her. This is a pearl. Just about the same stuff. Sewing is hardly, items are hardly on sale, even though they have a 40% off massive sale throughout the store for spring stuff. And this little object right here, I've been wanting it, so I'm gonna get this today. Isn't that cute? I like it. So here are your zippers. They're 99 cents. All different colors. They still only have this one cabinet of simplicity only. Their simplicity catalog. There are 2 chairs. I always like that fabric. Love it. Maybe next time I get some further into the warmer season. No sales. Cutting boards and rulers. I think I want this. So small though. And it's the only one. I think I'm gonna get it. Okay, they got some heating bond. Spray chat.
Do you want it on the top or do you want it all the way down? Well, if we get two, we can
This is a nice little set for $2.99. Soology.
I love it.
I need this clover paper, tracing paper. And they have the interfacing. And what is this? Elastic. Plastic greens. What is that? Oh, it's a thimble. Needles and needles. Eyelets of all different sizes. Then you have your pens. And that's about it. And your sewing needles. Your sewing patterns, are they regular price or are they on
They're
sale?
always 30% off.
Always 30%. All right. Thank you. They have a few sewing machines, and that's a hand sewn one. And they're Singer. This one is on sale. A heavy duty single prison. And this is a Janome. And that's the price. Bobbin winder. So I got the paper, the tracing paper, which I use with this pen. It's called an artist pen. And there's a variety of colors in there. 5-sheet package, it's saying, in the colors. I got a package of batteries, which we all use a lot. I got AA. And it's 8. And for my little friend, I got a flower pot, which I'm gonna fix up with some rocks or styrofoam to give it a home. Of course, I got this big pin cushion. Been watching it for a while. Love it. And it says so blessed. It was a yard and a half of fabric. It's supposed to be linen. And the fabric has to be washed and prepared. And it was a yard and a half at $13.99. Right expensive.